Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Logitech G413 Carbon keyboard. Let's see what surprise this box all for you. And as you can see here, we have the Logitech G413 Carbon keyboard box. Well, it's time to open. It up and discovered its design for high performance with all the right features. The compact aluminum alloy chassis offers us durable keyboard with special feature socks and the USB pass-out, backlighting case and roamer G mechanical switches. Now let's take a look at the specification and key details of this keyboard. Well, technical specification, the dimension height of 220 mm, width of 445 mm, depth of 34 mm, and weight of 1 G without a cable. Technical specification, roamer G mechanical switches with a durability of 17 million K press, an actuation distance of 1 period of 5 mm, an actuation of force of 45 Gs, and total table distance of 3 period 2 mm. As for the connection, it features USB type, a wired, USB protocol, USB 2.0 maximum, USB speed, LED indicators up to 110/18p, and integrate USB pass-through. The keyboard's backlighting is single color with 5 preset intensity levels. The G413 silver model has white light, and the G413 Carbon model has red light. How can you see? It also has delicate buttons and keys that allow adjusting the bracketing, activating gaming mode, and controlling multimedia functions. For the buyer's peace of mind, it comes with a 2 years limited hardware warranty. Well, let's see what's inside the box. We find the gaming keyboard, additional gaming keycaps, a keycap puller, and the user documentation. In summary, this keyboard is sleek and practical with the illumination activated upon connecting it to computer. And that concludes our unboxing and review of the Logitech G413 Carbon keyboard. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share this video. See you in the next video.